Hello Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Sag, paunang mensahe po ninyo, love. Wow, napakaganda naman. Kasi you're oozing with love sa ngayon. Love surrounds all your connections as well. So, napakaganda. Now, this is going to attract beautiful things, positive things into your life. Sabi dito, move forward positively in all areas of life. Kasi nga, parang since high vibe kayo, full of love kayo, you're going to see things, people, situations in the eyes of love. Kaya, maano kayo ngayon, no? Vibrant kayo at high vibe kayo sa ngayon. Mataas ngayon ang inyong vibration and your frequency. So, what else? We have transformation. Meron dito mga pagbabagong magaganap and maaring magsimula ito on a personal level, no? Maaring sa sarili ninyo muna ito magsisimula, no? And will expand to your external world, no? Sabi rin dito, reach out for the power and strength to make changes, enrich your life, and become the person you want to be. Ayan, so my personal transformation nga dito, no? You're going to, ngayon, to thrive, to evolve into the best version of yourself. We have celebrations. There are so many reasons for you to celebrate, no? Sa ngayon, may mga bagong opportunities siguro and possibilities that are coming your way. And you are ready to start something fresh, something new, no? A new chapter sa buhay ninyo. So, congrats. So, what else? We have abundance. Wow, Sagittarius, napakaswerte ninyo at napaka-blessed ninyo sa ngayon because you are receiving abundance, no? You're receiving abundance. Siswertehin kayo ng bonggang-bongga. Lucky times are ahead of you. Along with good news, maraming magagandang balita, tagumpay, prosperity na parating, no? Sa buhay ninyo at this time, Sagittarius. So, napakaswerte. We have wish. Wow, wish is coming true. Definitely, meron kayong wish na matatanggap nyo na sa ngayon. It's coming to fruition. So, you're really going to be very happy because your heart's desire is ready to come true, no? So, kung ano man itong pinaka-minimithi ninyo, maybe, ito na, yung answered prayer na ito, no? What else? We have lion. Harness the loyal and protective aura of the lion and charge ahead magnificently. So, ngayon, you're going to be very, tawag dito, charge, kumbaga kayo, with confidence, no? At yung pagiging magnificent ninyo will come out sa ngayon, yung determination, yung drive ninyo, you know, but that will come out. We have mountain. Know that you are protected as you face challenges, but remain cautious. Ayan, so, alalahanin ninyo na you are divinely protected, no? Guarded and guided. Kahit anumang problema ang kaharapin ninyo dito, no? It doesn't matter kasi magtiwala lang kayo sa inyong sarili, be courageous at kayang-kaya ninyo yan, okay? Kayang-kaya ninyo. So, what else? For Sag, we have chariot energy. Ayan, so charge ahead with confidence, stay strong and focused, okay? Sagittarius, napakaganda rin ito kasi chariot is also about success. This is also about determination, focus, yung ganon. Kaya, reminder lang ito sa inyo sa ngayon, ano, na huwag kayong tawag dito, huwag kayong ma-distract, no? Eye on the prize kayo, kahit ano man ang mga obstacles na dumating, ano man yung mga temptations or distractions na dumating sa buhay ninyo, lagpasan nyo lang yan, tataganin yung loob, kaya ninyong malagpasan at malusutan, no? Ma-overcome ang mga yan, ano? Kaya, eye on the prize lang kayo. We have key. Ayan, new beginnings. Ayan, new directions and adventures await for those ready to let go of the past. Ayan, so, hindi lahat sa inyo, no? Handa na para sa pagbabago. Pero ang iba sa inyo, handang-handa na, no? Hawak nyo ng susi sa inyong mga kamay. You're about to unlock na kumbaga, no, a new chapter sa buhay ninyo, and you are ready to take or head towards a new direction or a different direction sa buhay ninyo at this time. Sun, wow, napakaswerte talaga ninyo. It's very vibrant. Sabi dito, open your heart to the enormous growth ahead. Ayan, so di ba kanina na-mention ko, na you're ready to evolve, you're ready to thrive, at ngayon, no, marami talagang opportunities ang dadating sa buhay ninyo that is going to expand your heart, no, at yun ang magsisimula ng inyong success, no. There are a lot of successes, small successes, big successes na maaaring dumating sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon, ano, and that's going to be the start of your expansion, of your growth, no. Patience, ayan, your patience is paying off. It feels like to me na ito yung ginawa na ninyo in the past, no. Nagpasensya kayo, naghintay kayo ng tamang pagkakataon, and look at that, kung anong ganap sa buhay ninyo. Maraming swerte, maraming tagumpay, no, prosperity, abundance, nandiyan dyan. So, you really have a lot of things to celebrate. You have a lot of things, of blessings na ipagpapasalamat ninyo sa Divine Universe. Sabi din dito, slow down, change your attitude, and clear your mind. Ayan, for some of you naman ito, no, hindi ito para sa lahat. Ang iba din sa inyo dito, kailangan na, teka lang, dahan-dahan lang, gradual lang ang dating. Diba? Change your attitude and clear your mind. Kasi ang iba siguro sa inyo, kaya pala mayroon transformation energy, no, on a personal level dito because kailangan mong mag-adjust, kailangan mong baguhin ng kahit slight lang, diba? Yung attitude ninyo on how you see things, on how you perceive things, no? So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.